YouTube, what's going on? So Review Kicks here, back with another unboxing, another review. Got a package in from Social Status. Using the EQL Plus app, finally got a clutch win. I'm literally 2-28 or something like that, record-wise, winning shoes from EQL. I did go ahead and get the monthly subscription, took a chance on it, and actually won big. Thank God, because I was trying to get these shoes, and these shoes was hard to get. I couldn't find them nowhere. I tried. But they are here. Let's get into it. As you see the box, they come in classic silver box, classic box. I remember getting my first Jordan 13 playoffs in this box. And let's see what we have today. Oh, yeah. Today we have the Air Jordan 14 Retro Challenge Red and Black. A good size 8. Take a look at that tag, guys. I don't want you guys to get played by the reps there. Alright. Let's take a look at the box. Let's see. Nothing else special on the box. Let's take a look at the bottom. Usual things. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for. I don't see no markings on the box lid. Ooh, boy. Individually wrapped, as you see. I guess they're doing this with all the hype shoes, I guess. Looks like they're just wrapping everything up. Go ahead and unwrap the first one. So first little glance. Oh boy. Alright, let's put that to the side. Beautiful. Love when they come wrapped like this. This gives you an extra little peace of mind. Okay. Let's put that to the side. Alright, let's take a look at the box. I do see a YCM sticker. Okay. Let's see. Tray size. The whole box size is going to be 330 by 235 by 120. Other than that YCM sticker, I'm not seeing anything else. Beautiful shoe. Look at this bad boy. I am not mad at it. Whew. Beautiful. I remember when these originally came out, I wanted them. Had them in my cart. With another pair, I believe it was a pair of 13s that I had. Ended up getting the 13s, but make a long story short, Finish Line decides to cancel these on me. So I never got them. Fast forward 2025, and they have arrived. Okay, I do have a little, I mean, it's not noticeable, but little flaw right here, but I mean, you would literally have to be on the bottom of the shoe to see that. But other than that, it's not a problem. Unnoticeable. Pretty sweet. Bottom of the shoe. Famous tread that we always remember here on the 14, baby. Little spot on that 14 missed. Ferrari symbol. The Jordan 14 symbol. Let's say. Beautiful. All right. Let's check out the stitching. Let's check out the Jordan. eyelet. Little Jordan sign, little Jordan hit. Also on the back, 14 hit. Check that out. Alright. Let me get a little close up of the Jordan sign for all those rep people that are buying reps or whatever. Here you go. Don't get played. Tongue feels extra cushiony. Take a look at the back. Y'all see it. All right. Little vent right there. You can literally see the painted hand strokes. I don't know if that's done by hand, but it appears to be. All right. Let's check out what's going on the inside. We do have a tag here. It says, due to suede characteristics, please be aware there is potential color contamination to the upper and bottom unit. All right, we've seen that before. Go ahead and open this up a bit. Shoe tag, shoe size, whatever. Here you go, size tag, factory LN3, date code 10/30/2024. Wow, 01/20/2025. Made in China. All right, here we go. Y'all see that? Here we go, here we go. Here we go with this foolery here. Shoe tree, which is just paper shoved in there. I hate it. Let's take a look at the inside. We got the Jumpman logo along with the shoe size tag below it. And a lot of these reps don't get this right. See the vent. Let's take a look at the inside of the shoe. Nice and easy to come off. I love it. And we have this as the sole. That's different. Reverie. Reverie. All right. That's what's in there. Let's take a look at the inside. Stitching. And like I said, I'm very careful when I'm manipulating the shoes, bending them, just to make sure that I don't really crease them or anything like that or damage them. So I am seeing some type of writing here. Not too sure if that was deliberate or if it's just a size on there, but it does look like an 8. And yeah, weird. Looks like an 8 and a 4 or something. Or 8. Take a look at the stitching, even better. Okay, it's got that black red tied into it. All right, let's get this back in there. Whoop. Let's take a look at the other shoe here. See if there's any differences. And what I do notice, one thing I do notice is the color of the red on the shoe. I don't know if it's lighter or if it's different type of texture they're using on the nubuck or the suede material, but it does seem to me it doesn't look as red as it used to. It does look kind of, you know, I don't know if they're going for the worn out look on these as well, but you know, you do got that whitish, reddish looking, you know, I don't know if they're trying to make it look vintage, but all right, well, that's going to do it for today's video. A little quick review, unboxing of the Jordan Ferrari 14s, 2025s, version 2, whatever you want to call them. I don't know if you guys got your pair. What do you guys think of these shoes? Are they overhyped? Guys, let me know. And once again, as always, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.